Hey, and welcome back. In this video, we will compare Notion and Obsidian in 2025 to find out what is the best note-taking app for students. If you're looking for the Better Notes app to help your workflow, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. The first thing you notice about Notion is its inviting design. Like Obsidian, it's capable of advanced functions, but it takes advantage of a clean, spacious layout to ensure it doesn't overwhelm you right away. Its home screen better guides you through the interface through pre-written starter notes and an AI-powered universal search, where you can ask any query or search how to execute a particular workflow. In comparison, when you download and boot Obsidian, it asks you to create a new vault, give it a title, and pick a local folder where you'd like to save your notes. This process is unlike what you'd come across on any other note-taking app, which can make it confusing if you're not a deep tinkerer. Notion makes accessing its available tools and options easy with thoughtful prompts. For example, when you select text on Obsidian, it won't bring up any menus to customize it. Notion treats each piece of content, whether that's text, images, or tables, as a block, and blocks are more programmable and dynamic than typical static elements. That also means content, like text, never appears like it would in a normal document editor. There's more white space between lines and around the text, and you have limited options to personalize the size, font, and alignment. Obsidian, on the other hand, offers a clutter-free space for you to write. It neatly tucks away all the buttons and menus and reveals them only when you request it, keeping only the doc front and center. On both Notion and Obsidian, you'll find countless ways to organize your knowledge base and develop wikis for your data. But Notion goes above and beyond plain text. You can create forms, charts, timelines, calendar schedules, Gantt charts, and anything else you can think of. Obsidian's customizability isn't restricted to the text. If its default mechanical-looking theme isn't working out for you, you can explore dozens of community-made alternatives and install a complete makeover. Another highlight of Obsidian is that many of its core functions are set up as plugins, which means you can easily disable a feature if you don't need it and install more if you need one that's not available natively. One of the ways Notion particularly stands out from Obsidian is with its AI assistant. You'll find traces of it on nearly every section inside its app. Obsidian doesn't come with any AI features out of the box, but you can install third-party plugins to, say, directly access a ChatGPT-based bot. With that information, you can decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.